Hi everybody, I wanted to create a really quick and short video to help you know where to go to sign up for your groups for the group project. So from the course homepage, you simply come to the communications link and then come down to where it says groups and click on groups. And from there, you will see a list of all the groups that are available. For example, 2 groups have already filled up. The chapter 2 on food really is fuel and chapter 7 on weight loss. So all you have to do from that point is to click on the group here where it says members of where you would like to sign up, and then click the join button. I do not have that button even as I view this as a student because I'm the instructor. So I hope this helps you. If you run into any issues, please feel free to go into the communications and then click on discussions. I've created a student lounge here for students to ask questions from one another. So if you're having a hard time seeing this, this might be a great place. You click on student lounge. You can post a question here simply by starting a new thread and maybe say, help, struggling to sign up for groups. Or you can shoot me an email or send me a message on Remind. Okay, hope this helps.